Lucas.
Hi.
No, you're not going to talk at all? Oh, that was a burp.
Look at his mouth.
There you go. Yeah. You gonna say hi to Daddy? There you go. Hi. Hi. Love yous. Yeah. Okay, Mommy needs to get you dressed. Say bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye. And obviously needs to feed you. Yeah. Bye-bye. Strong boy. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, you're showing off. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was tiring. Okay. Let's get you to bed. Night, night.